Here's a pretty cool trick that I like to use to get my fried chicken extra crispy, and that's carbonated water. Oh yeah, that's good. Starting off, we'll be throwing in a cup of flour, a heaping tablespoon of this spice mix, a tablespoon of salt, and black pepper. Whisk it together, then pour in your sparkling water, also known as soda water or carbonated water. The ratio is roughly 1 pot flour to 1 pot water. And the batter should be quite runny, just like this. So the main reason for introducing carbonated water into the batter is that during deep frying, it releases small little pockets of air that not only help the batter to become really light, but also extremely crispy. Dunk the chicken in the batter. Preheat the oil up to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Another good way to tell if your oil is ready, place a wooden spoon into the oil, and once it starts bubbling like that around the spoon, that means your oil is ready to go. Then gently throw in your chicken. Also very important to cook these in batches as to not overcrowd the pan. If there's too much chicken in there at the same time, it will cool down the oil too much, and then you're going to get a soggy mess. Let them cook for roughly 10 to 12 minutes. Then a flip every few minutes. And there you have it. Super crispy fried chicken, and the trick being carbonated water. But that's the thing, that's just one trick to many others. There's also the double fry, the triple fry, also using different types of batters to all achieve a super crispy fried chicken. But that's the thing, there's many methods to this, so I suggest you to pick your favorite, or combine a few techniques and try them all. Either way, you'll get crispy chicken, and what's not to like about that, right?